Welcome to my honest review of Northwestern Hair Restoration, where I'll walk you through the services and treatments they offer. If you're struggling with hair loss, you've probably already tried different products and clinics, but is Northwestern Hair Restoration the right solution? First, let me tell you a bit about their offerings. They specialize in various types of hair restoration services, including hair transplants, medical treatments for alopecia, and non-surgical solutions. Their team of specialists has a lot of experience in helping clients regain their hair, which is reassuring if you're looking for something reliable. I took the time to explore their website and the details of their services. Their website is well organized, providing clear information on all of their available treatments. They offer consultations, which can be a great first step for anyone unsure of the process. The process includes an assessment of your hair loss and a detailed explanation of the best option suited for your condition. However, I found that some of the information is more technical than necessary, and it could be a bit overwhelming for someone who is new to the world of hair restoration. Their services are not exactly cheap, which might be a drawback for some. While they offer high-quality procedures, it's important to consider if the investment is right for you. They have several payment plans and financing options, but even then, hair restoration isn't a budget-friendly solution for everyone. I would also have liked to see more customer testimonials on their website to get a better understanding of what real clients are experiencing post-treatment. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Now, let's talk about the results. The clinic claims to provide natural-looking results, and from the pictures on their site, it seems they deliver on that promise. However, real-life experiences can vary, and some clients report that the results didn't meet their expectations. It's essential to have a realistic understanding of what you can expect. Some treatments require multiple sessions to see significant results, and depending on the severity of your hair loss, the outcome can be different for everyone. Their staff is professional and knowledgeable, but I did feel that their customer service could be improved. I had to wait longer than expected for responses to my inquiries, which left me feeling a bit uncertain about the process. However, when I did get in touch with a representative, they were helpful and thorough in answering my questions. Overall, Northwestern Hair Restoration offers a solid set of services, but it's important to go in with realistic expectations, especially regarding cost and results. If you're seriously considering hair restoration, this clinic is worth exploring, but be prepared for the investment and the possibility of multiple treatment sessions. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest reviews.